I always give, one example. You all know this. If I tell you, please get up at 5 o'clock and do meditation, Guruji, I go to bed very late, I can't get up, and I will get up at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock and do. Good. After 1 week, a mantrik come to your house. A Jyotishi, an astrologer, comes to your house, and he tells you, if you get up at 3:30, have cold water bath, and 4:15 you have to be in that temple, and you take 5 pradakshina and you come back. If you do it for 48 days, then you are going to get 1 crore rupees. What happens to your energy field? What happens? So Mrityunjaya Shakti has awakened. Dhi Shakti has awakened. Both have awakened. Right? And you develop the intelligence how to manage the day. How to manage the day. You get up at 3 or 3:30. You have bath. You go there. Everything you manage pretty well. You develop patience. You develop adjustment. No one is cooperating with you. You only get up and prepare tea. You do everything with a beautiful smile. And you go to office. You slog in the office. You come back. Please see this 48 days. Now tell me, कहाँ से ये मृत्युंजय शक्ति आ गया और धी शक्ति आ गया? So you got 1 crore rupee. The next day, no mrityunjaya, no dhi shakti. Then what comes? Mrityu shakti aa gaya. Because you got 1 crore rupee now. So this 1 crore rupee says, now I am going to kill you step by step. You have earned the mrityu. Now I know how to play with the mrityu. Please see the beauty of it. So why don't you wake up, friends? Enough of this kind of giving excuses, always talking negative, always talking helpless. I can't do, I am not able to do, please see Guruji. Yes, I have been seeing, and I am seeing myself also. My life is highly unpredictable, but even in this unpredictable life, there is discipline. I have not given up my walking even a single day. I have not given up my practice. 3-4 hours. I am attending to all the calls and challenges and whatnot. One side from the students, another side from the school, from organization. And when I do the program, I will not be knowing how much money I am going to get, what kind of response. Everything. I am virtually in the midst of mrityu constantly. But still I get time, I sleep, I smile, I talk. And I behave as if I don't have any responsibility. Right? And your life is a defined life, predictable life. People are there to help you in all possible ways. You need not go and stay in different houses. In that house, bathroom is here. In this house, bathroom is that side. I have to adjust so many things. Sometimes in the night, I have to find out where am I, in which house. So whether the bathroom is this side or this side. In India, it's okay, I can make out the bathroom doors, but in America, all doors are one and the same. Whether it is, bedroom door or the bathroom door, all the same. So I have to, every day I have to orient myself, I have to become aware of myself, I have to see. So nothing is difficult. I am concluding it. Nothing is difficult. This is the message of these two great mantras, Mrityunjaya Mahamantra and Gayatri Mahamantra. So with this message, you go back and build up that energy, awaken that energy. Come out of this kind of sluggish, helpless. Start with joy. Start where you are with love. Small things you take up and start working. Don't take up the big things. Small things. Every day I meditate for 20 minutes. Take only this activity. Enjoy. And in that activity build up this. Or I go for walk every day 30 minutes. Enjoy that. So in this way you build up, you awaken your Mrityunjaya Mahashakti and also the Dhi Shakti to attend to all these things. If you do this, then slowly your path will brighten up. Then you start seeing lot of unseen hands supporting, helping, protecting in traveling in that path. That is the beauty of Mantra Shakti. So thank you very much. Bhagavati bless you all.